What is going on with you, YouTube? This is Dave from Tech Refresh coming at you with another video. All right, today we're looking at the liquid air from Spigen for the Pixel 6 Pro. I've only used this case for about a day, but I've used the liquid air so much. I'm so familiar with a lot of these Spigen cases where I don't need a lot of time with it to know exactly what it is, the weaknesses and the strengths of the case. This is very familiar, but I can say I really do like this case for this phone. Look, you're getting a bendy TPU style case. It's not going to offer maximum protection, but it's going to offer for me just enough protection. I'll go ahead and snap it into the phone. We'll do the tour and I'll give you the rundown on this case. All right, so you already know the usual suspects down there, the USB Type-C, speaker grills. Of course, the cutouts are perfect, no issues there as usual. Along the sides, you do have some Spigen branding here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but Spigen, they always put their little indent on the phone. And one thing I do like about this case, definitely a positive, it has grip. I don't know if you guys can see that. Maybe I can get a little closer. There's little lines right here. And this is the first case I've used for the Pixel 6 that does provide some grip. If you guys can see that, I don't know if the lighting's picking it up, but it does provide some grip, and I really like that because we need it with these slippery phones. Along the top, you already know, cut out for the noise canceling mic, very smooth. The side, you have the power button, volume rockers, and a little cutout for a lanyard, just in case you wanted to wrap this thing around your wrist. And you have more grip. And the power button is ridged. I always like the little ridge touch, even though it's not needed because there's a separation between the power and the volume. So there's never been an issue of me thinking I'm pushing the power and I'm actually pushing the volume or vice versa. But it's just a nice little touch, more grip. Anything tactile with these cases is good. The buttons, plenty clicky if you could hear that. Coming along the back, I kind of think this is where the case excels. So you have this matte, smooth material, feels absolutely amazing in the hand. Whatever material they use, it just feels great in the hand. And there's a pattern. It's like a little triangle pattern all over the phone. Now that does have its weaknesses. I'll talk about that in a second. Up top, you already know the camera is going to be recessed in there if you guys could see it. So your camera will be protected. And then, of course, the bottom and the top are going to come up above the screen to provide decent protection. Nothing crazy, but decent protection for your screen. So what are my opinions on this case? One, I really like it, man. It's just something about the Pixel 6 Pro and this liquid air where I'm like, this is a great looking case. And I'm not normally like that big on the liquid air, but I don't know. I don't know if it's just the way it accents this camera bump. The only issues I have with this case is, and I'm already, as you guys can see, I do like this pattern. It is a good looking pattern to me, if you guys could catch it. But man, it's just, there's no way to not get things in between these small little grooves that the pattern provides. So you spend I spend a lot of time picking stuff out of the back of the case. Now, one thing I do like with the wear and tear and the things, you can just wipe it off. Black, soft touch. It's not going to really, like, you could use this case for the duration of the phone and it's going to look brand new. That's just the way these soft touch Spigen cases are built, especially the liquid air, other than you picking crumbs up out the pattern on the case. But overall, man, look, this one is going to be a hard case to beat. This one, I can't really decide yet what's in pole position, this or the thin fit. I love both, but right now I do want to say the liquid air, when it comes to the Spigen lineup, is my favorite case so far. I still have some more cases to go from Spigen, but the liquid air is a great case, man. If you have any issues about what case you should put on your phone, you might want to take a look at the liquid air. Link is in the description. I did get this from Amazon. All right, get active in the comments. I'll get at you guys another time. Peace.